Alright, this is going to be an updated bike check on my 2018 Block Flyer. Now I have many new upgrades. First upgrade, probably the biggest, is my new Maxxis hookworms. They're 2.5. I won like 50 PSI in the front and 40 in the back, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Got ODI blue, royal blue grips. I got a Textro brake lever in chrome. It's pretty good. I upgraded my rubber band. Still got the same brake pads, cool stops, and that's pretty much it. But seat got lowered, and yeah, she's kind of dirty right now, but I need to clean her. Trying to get a new sticker kit soon, but I don't know what I should put on it. I was thinking like Be More Bike Life right across there, but I don't know. But yeah, this is probably gonna be super short, but I'm just gonna say a few things that I want to keep going, like keep adding. I want new pedals in blue, probably white bars. Got the orange right now, but I want like a white and blue theme, because I already have a lot of blue. I was gonna take out the orange and put blue and white spokeskins once I get all the orange off. Maybe like a white chain. I got a brake grip coming soon to put like right here. It's on this way. Should be here tomorrow actually. It's gonna be blue right there. And yeah, that's my bike. We have another video coming out soon of my friend Dom's bike check. So I gotta edit that, and that should be out soon. So yeah.